Tracing question number 7. On the tracing questions, the lines to the left are for you to write in the line numbers, like in order of execution. When it says show what happens in memory, this means in variables, and on screen means the output. So in this case, we don't have any variables, so I'm off the hook there, but it is printing out, so I do need a place to track output, and that can be anywhere. Just make a place for it, and then I'll keep track as I go. We start in main, so this will be line 1. And it looks like the first thing I do on line 1 is I print out, so I'm going to say no I with a space after it. Just put myself a little, well, hopefully I'll remember that. Now at this line 2 executes, it makes a method called to zoop. Zoop is up here, so therefore my number 3 goes here. The first thing I do is I call baffle, which is down here. So 4 goes all the way down here. System.out.print wug. Okay, I'm still using print. There we go, print that out. And now I call ping. That means that I'm down here in ping for line 6, and it prints out a period and a new line. And sometimes I just like to write the little thing to remind myself that I'm going to the next line. Okay, at this point I'm returning from ping, so I look for the one less than a 6, and I see that I called it at 5. This is the last one in baffle as well, so I go up to the top of baffle, and now I know I'm looking for a 3. So this is where baffle was called. Therefore, my next line, which is 7, is here, right after that call to baffle. System.out.print uwugga, so let's just track that. And there's a little space after it. Okay, then at line 8, I can make another call to baffle. So down here in baffle, I'm at line 9, or execution line 9. System.out.print, I'll put this word in here. And then it looks like I call ping at line 10. Now I'm in ping at line 11. And the same thing, I look for line 10, I'm done. I look back up to line 9, so I'm looking for line 8. Here's line 8, so I look back up. So now I'm, to find where a zoop was called, I look for a number 2. Here's 2, which means that my line 12 is here. System.out.print I. Oh, I forgot to put in my my new line from the ping method down here because I was getting excited. So now at line 12 I print I with a space, and then I make one more call to baffle at step 13. It's a little hard to read. 3 in. Okay, make another call to baffle. That means that at 14 I'm down here. System.out.print. That was supposed to be an I. And then I make a call to ping at line 15. That means line 16 goes here, where I add the dot to the end and a new line. Now I'm done at line 16, so I go back to line 15. Here it is. Let's go back to line 13. Here 13 is also at the end of its method, and look, I'm in main, so I'm done.